still a nurse, or did they fire you because you slept with all the doctors?
Do you want to try that again?
Hey, Ann, are you still a nurse? Because Andy's not feeling well.
What's wrong, Andy?
Just got a headache, and I'm seeing double. And I got a song stuck in my head, and my teeth hurt. Also, I'm hungry.
Okay, well, some of those things are symptoms, and some of them are just being a person. Did you hit your head?
No. Oh, yes, technically, I did smash my head area into the wall area.
Yeah, he was hanging up his gold record. Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.